Today we will discuss about periodic table. Few short points based on periodic table. An arrangement of elements with similar properties placed together is called as periodic table. It is a graphic formulation of the periodic law which states that the properties of the chemical element exhibit an approximate periodic dependence on their atomic number. The periodic table is divided into four roughly rectangular areas called as blocks. The rows of the table are called periods and the columns are called groups. In this periodic table, the horizontal line called as groups and the vertical line called as period. Time to time, various scientists classified elements into group and developed periodic table and law by systemizing their knowledge and experiment throughout all this year. In 1800, only 31 elements were known. By 1865, the number of identified elements increased to 63. At present, only 114 elements are known. Few scientists who contribute their knowledge in making periodic table. The German chemist Johann Dobereiner, early 1800, was the first to consider the idea of trends among properties of elements. By 1829, he invented his law of triads. This law states that the atomic weight of middle element is arithmetic mean of other two elements which are arranged such that the elements having similar properties are placed in increasing order of atomic weight. For example, the atomic mass of sodium-23 is almost equal to the arithmetic mean of the masses of potassium-39 and lithium-7. To get arithmetic mean, we will have to 39 at 39 plus 7 and divide by 2, we will get 23, which is sodium. Dobereiner table. Dobereiner table. First example, lithium 7, sodium 23, potassium 39. If we add 39 plus 7 and divide by 2, we will get 23, which is middle one, sodium. Second example, calcium 40, strontium 88, barium 137. If we add 137 plus 40 and divide by 2, we will get approx 88, which is strontium. Third example, chlorine 35.5, bromine 80, iodine 127. If we add 127 plus 35.5 and divide by 2, we will get 80, which is middle one, bromine. Few more examples like phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, sulfur, selenium, tellurium. Dobereiner's law of trades was rejected because in some trades all the three elements possess nearly the same atomic masses. The English chemist John Alexander Newlands in 1865 propounded law of octaves. When elements arranged in order of their increasing atomic weight, the properties of every eighth element were similar to those of the first one. The relationship was just like every eighth note that resembles the first in octave of music. Newland's octave table. If we get it like sa, re, ga, ma, pa, dha, ni, sa, element will be arranged like lithium 7, beryllium 9, boron 11, carbon 12, nitrogen 14, oxygen 16, fluorine 19, sodium 23. Again the repetition of sa means sodium 23, magnesium 24, aluminium 27, silicon 29, phosphorus 31, sulfur 32, chlorine 35.5, potassium 39. Again repetition of Sa means potassium 39, calcium 40. Newland's law of octaves applicable only for elements up to calcium. Even though his theory not accepted widely at that time, later he was awarded Davy